Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel as Ishal Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. So I welcome you all here. Let's start with your reading now. These are for Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. Timeless readings, twin flame soulmates connections. So whenever is your timeline, this will resonate with you. Roles can be reversed, general universal readings, so may or may not resonate with every one of you at the same time, okay? Okay, so let's start. Something is in front of you, just exactly in front of you. But I do feel that someone lost the contact because of the out of balance, okay? I also see here that, yeah, something is in front of you. Nine of Cups energy. Either it's in front of you or you realize something or you did not realize and that's why it's out of league right now, okay? Whatever it is. Roles can be reversed, remember that. So I do feel that something made you happy or something is making you happy right now. Like it's something connected with living in the moment, I feel. Yeah. Someone over here is living in the moment. And I do feel that ignored something else that's not working. I am seeing like someone is putting rings in one strand of thread. Rings being like loosened inside. But a person is not realizing that there's an other end. There is other end to it. If you will not hold it, the rings will come out, okay? For some cases, it's going to be something fulfilling, and the rings that's going inside is making alignment. Whatever it is, maybe it is connected with the relationship, maybe it is connected with some health issues. You need to consult medical and all that concept is a different thing over here, but what I hear as an overall emotional well-being or overall health scenario, I pick that something is going to be okay and we'll work it out, okay? Something that you are fighting since long is going to be in the right order, okay? Something will be in the right order, okay? That's what they want me to say. Right beneath it, what it is. Removing the curtains, some words are written down there. Is the show shall begin. The show shall begin, okay? Something is coming in alignment. The show shall begin. So sooner or later it's going to end or something is complete here. The karmic circle is complete. Someone's expectations, or maybe you're disappointed. Someone found out about you or you found out about someone. That's the end of something, okay? They don't want to talk or you don't want. But whatever is going on here, 10 of Swords is the completion of something that was unhealthy for you, okay? It's also something connected with unhealthy communication. Okay, just let me see what was beyond the curtains. The show shall begin. Whatever the show is. After all this, the show shall begin or should continue. Even if it is like hard communication or abusive communication or some abuses here, unhealthy, it's like being covered up with something and then it's being like begin again. That is unhealthy over here. That's what I see. Okay, let me see, please. You should have known it. Something that you should have known. I don't know what that is. Well, we'll see. Should have known. So, whatever I see, why I'm seeing that. Whatever I see, why I see that. No, these are so many. Sorry, I can't take it. Whatever I see, why I'm seeing that. Now the sounds, guys. Whatever I see, why I see that. The show shall begin. Zero the Fool energy. Some of you are artists here. Artists or in some cases amateurs. But I see here the artist, theater, acting, lyricist, some sort of music, instruments over here. I'm picking that, okay? And the show shall begin. Means with the Sun card, someone is very hopeful about, okay? Someone is faithful around you and they are declaring something or announcing something or telling you something. Basically, it is also about alerting or alarming you. Okay? It is also whatever you were not feeling prior free, you're going to be freeing yourself from something, which is about either you are doing it or someone else is doing it. I mean, that kind of like a befooling energy is also coming here. But I see like someone will dare to begin the new. Someone will dare to begin the new, whatever the person is trying. This is a promise of the new beginnings, and the sun is the hope that will be what's that word, re-manifest or re-implanted in something. Whatever is, it's going to be okay for your surroundings. Zero the Fool energy is telling, while I was looking at that, someone was putting the rings inside in one thread, means they're going to be holding it, or you're going to be holding it proper. All the rings will be intact here, which is making sense, because then you can put the curtains there. And when you are done with the curtains, you can withdraw it, you can draw it, like pull back, pull apart. Okay, Zero the Fool energy. So now we're going to take out where you're coming from. You're coming from the Sun. Okay, someone over here hoped for the best version of themselves, or hoped for the best with someone in specific. If it is connected with, you're getting the sign Leo as well here. You're also getting Gemini, Libra, Aquarius as well here. And you're also getting the Aries, the Emperor right now. Okay, some of you might hear out from an Aries in particular. The person for whom it was so difficult to pick up their energy and talk to you was on ego, or it was on something like they were not doing it. They'll end up doing it when they'll see you so free. Okay, you're coming from a place of some sort of announcements, judgments and declarations with the person. Some relationship that you started with someone in connection. But I'm also getting a freelance. So maybe this is freelance as the work, or freelance is someone who thought of like, oh, let's do it like a love was for freelancing. That is not even the word that I can put for love actually, but this is how the emotions are coming here. Someone like took someone for granted in a way of like freelancing. Okay, that is supposedly was not on the positive note that you thought or the person thought. I mean, you're coming from a place where someone thought that every ring is intact and I'm not going to lose it. Okay, very passionate, committed relationship that you're coming from. But right now, Zero the Fool energy is about freeing yourself from something that someone put you in. What's in your now? What's in your now? What's in your now? You're supposed to look back, analyze it, bring on the decision, sorry for that, bring on the decision that you're supposed to take for your life. Okay, you thought you're still looking at to someone or towards someone with hope that, oh, we just interacted so well, that was a good conversation. You're getting 2 cards. It's the 4 of Wands energy. Yes, 1111. 4 times 2, 2, 2, 2. I don't know why I'm picking that, but with this is also 6 of Swords energy. The movement is on. The alignment is coming for you guys. Now, some of you are getting free from the relationships. Those are that is connected with the Devil and 10 of Swords that I just said in the startup. All the rings will be in alignment in the thread. Okay, the person will be holding it. The curtains will be strong enough and they won't fall. So the show shall begin. Something will begin in a very good mode. And that is connected with either big events or something connected with your business proposals. But for most of you, this is relationships concepts here. Looking to the beautiful and what's that? Okay, the brighter side. Looking to the brighter side over here of the relationship. For some cases, this is about coming out of the freelancing relationships here. Someone who took someone for granted and promised something but couldn't keep it. This person is away from you, or maybe you're making a move towards your place. And you might make it after this particular phase is over, wherein people are locked down. But maybe this is your future plans. In coming 6 months, something will open up in front of you. Let me put that very, very clearly. Right from the time when you will listen to this reading, anything that was happening for you that was a blockage, may it be in your health, or may it be in your life, for whatever reason it is, it's going to get aligned. I'm telling you that. The coming 4 to 6 weeks or 6 months, they will prove to be the best of your times, wherein you are going to be realizing that the sunflower is blooming, the sun is blooming, there is no scorch. This is going to be the best of time, which is telling you that you are going to get aligned. Whatever you lost, you're going to be grabbing it. This rest time will tell you and will make your better move in the future. Okay, So whatever is, even if it is now happening, some of you are making a move from the relationship or from the person who made you fool over here. For some cases, it's a travel back. It's a travel back to homes, to the cities, and you are just waiting for the right time. This could be the positive time that you are waiting for. You're coming from a place and a second goes becomes your past, but in your now you are missing your home a lot. So people who are away from, they're just looking forward to make a move, okay? Some of you are doing the move in, like move in with someone. You just met someone, I do feel. When just met means it just started for around few months ago, possible, depending upon your timeline. But I see like this is a positive note, and you people are moving in together on a sharing note here. Something that's exciting here, something that's like a white rose. This is not exactly the marriage. This is something connected with move in as well. What's in your future call, a future vibe? Trying to figure out the person, and both of you need to know it. Someone is here knocking at the door. I mean, obviously you know that. What's in your future call? Page of Rods energy. End up communicating with someone, or you might receive this. So you might have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and I said so Aries for some cases. But Page of Rods, which is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius vibe, this is the exciting phase that will begin for you guys. You might receive the message from someone. Three of Pentacles, someone wants to make it work here. This could be work-related collaborations, so big parties, big organization, or just shift. When this particular phase will be over, you're going to end up having a move towards new things. New email, new collaboration, new work, okay? New joins, new organization. That is about a freelance. Some of you do work freelancing, maybe from work, working from home, and it's going to pay good to you. So it's like your work will be all right, in like collaborations or work related. Some of you will connect with Queen of Swords. I said so, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, though Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So maybe you dealt with this person because she's a queen over here. So you know them. So you end up messaging this person. Things possible never worked out, or something was left in the midst of like out of sympathy or whatever. But this person is in your future energy. So maybe you'll connect with someone who is possible, could be your boss in the coming time, or possible someone not exactly the boss, someone who is an influence in your life, I see, or was, okay? What's with the Sun here? Will it work or not? That might be in your thoughts. I see that. Interesting. You're again getting King of Swords energy. So some of you might be, regardless of the gender, male, female, you got one-time queen. So Gemini, Libra, Aquarius is definitely here. You had some sort of arguments or split here with the person. So you're getting the Sun. You're coming from a place when things were really good. Someone was in front of you. And if it never worked out, Five of Cups, someone was disappointed. There were absence of emotions. And this was there. Page of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, your energy here. Maybe you got disappointed with someone's behavior or gesture, or someone never appreciated you, possible, or someone is not understanding or never understood your passion or whatever was igniting underneath. I do feel someone never reciprocated the way you wanted it, or someone who took someone for granted here. I mean, befooled energy of freelance means it was a left out situation here. So maybe you're coming from a place when there was an opportunity, but someone who never took it, you or the other person. So this phase is about, okay, yeah, fine. Everything was good here. They are telling me that everything was good here. The rings were there in that, but then please ignore the sounds. I was talking about that everything was good here, but something was buried underneath and then it came up. One person was not ready here, that's why the move is here. Or the trials from one side, they were never appreciated. Someone took someone for granted here. Or that was a denial to the proposal, or the work that someone was putting in. Some of you are specifically dealing with the Pisces, or the Pisces listening to this reading, you went through all of this phase. For some of you, okay? This is connected with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius for some cases here. Specific. This went in disappointment, the connection. Maybe someone tried here to save it, or maybe someone moved on with something new. Okay? Distance could be the problem between you both when everything went off track. End up messaging the person in collaboration. What's beyond this page of rods and this? The Emperor is coming. Someone will try to control the situation here, okay? Reconnecting the energy, or with the energy, the strength, Leo. Someone will try to bond up here, you or the other person. I do feel as an overall general energy, things will turn out better for you, like if it is connected with talk terms, if it is connected with collaborations, or just controlling your own situation. Strengthening the bonds, or strengthening the bond with your own self or your own situation as well. Some tensions, they will release, they will go away. Okay, I see for most of your travel as well, but in coming 4 to 6 weeks or months, the travel is here. Okay, what's in love? What's in love? What's in love? What's in love? 6 of Wands. Maybe this is a trial for forgiveness, or maybe this is something that you want to overcome and then have victory, or you might want to convince someone. So possible this is 6 of Wands. You're going to be overcoming something, and with good news. Okay, that's a ring again. That's something okay, I'm picking collaborations, and I'm also picking a collaboration relationship as well. It's going to be something occasional for you. I mean, happy news. Okay, please give me something. This could be a travel as well for you to bond with. Okay, please give me something. What does this person think or feels for you, whomsoever you dealt or you're dealing with? Knight of Rods. This is again Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. They might be feeling that you can be something in their life, but they feel that you are not ready yet. I mean, you are on your journey, so you might not be ready yet. Yeah, the Hanged Man, you might not be ready yet. So to make any move, even if you are making a move, they know that you can't totally manifest something right now. So they feel that you are always hung in the situations and you can be promising. So someone you dealt or you're dealing right now might be feeling that you are not promising. Okay, so let's see. What are the messages? Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. Ace of Air is coming here. It's coming just out. Ace of Air, which is Ace of Air, you know that. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Well, sorry guys. So Ace of Air, air element. Brilliant new ideas and inspirations, seeing the truth of a situation, a challenging beginning. So maybe this challenge is about the new communication, new conversation, something that will start in your life. A collaboration, may it be work or may it be relationship or bonds related. The show shall begin. That is what. So maybe you end up having a communication with someone here. This may be from the long lost cases as well, disappointing phases as well. But right now, this is connected with your communication. If you want to save or secure something, this may be something very important here. What's in your future call or future wife? What's in your future call or future wife? 3 of Earth. Remember, you're also getting 3 of Pentacles, 3 of Earth in your future coming energy. Okay, something that you want to make it work. This may be the communication that you want to start again. 3 of Earth is coming reversed here, which is about the power of creativity, recognition for very high quality work, be a team player. So you might have to put in more effort than you you're thinking about that this is enough, this might not be enough, whether it is relationship or work related, you will have to try more, to put in more effort. So as a team player, if you're doing it, or maybe your work is in the need of more polishing. I talked about even art and all work. So you are also getting two affair at the bottom, which is about being unable or unwilling to make a decision, a stalemate, pretending there is no problem. So this is about something connected with it you need to be clear about. You can deal with the two. If there are some confusions, you need to let it out. Basically make a decision in the mid of two. Okay, if it's about staying or moving. If it is about making a move, then you have to make a move. For some cases, this might be connected with your now, which is about Four of Wands and Six of Swords. Shall I make a move? Shall I not? Will it work or not? So you're supposed to do it, putting more effort so that it does work. I hope guys this shall help you. Take care, and definitely it is about some important communication coming around the corner for work or relationship or any sort of connection. Take care guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.